live just to tell you guys कि I hope you got the answer of the double treat reply I had tweeted long back on our live chat on Twitter, where I mentioned that it is going to be a double treat for y'all. So this is what I was mentioning about the news you got today, that yes, I have signed 2 shows with her, and the other one is the positive one, and I don't know when is it happening. There's still time, but sooner or later it is happening. I have Rose now. I just thought I'm gonna say hello to you people and tell you that yes, the news is out finally, which I actually didn't want, but since I was asked a lot of questions about how will you portray a positive character after this once you portray this negative one, but it doesn't work like that, guys. If you're a good performer, you will get good work, and by good work, वो differentiate नहीं करता है between positive and negative. It can be anything. I'm enjoying. It was my second. Stop watching my live chat. Yeah. So today was my second day of Kasauti shoot. Tomorrow is my off, and I had good fun. I had some amazing shoot, and I met all the people. I think not all the members of Kasauti, but most of them. And it was fun shooting with them. Maza aaya. Or nice. I'm trying to get into the skin of the character Kamolika, which is like completely different and a different space for me as well. मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा है. In fact, I have to share something with y'all. You know, we actors sign whenever we are on sets that this is the time we entered sets, this is the time we...
They understand log sheet.
They understand log sheet. Cool. I was just trying to be more precise. So the log sheet we sign every day. So मतलब कल, आज मेरा second day था, कल मेरा first day था. So first day when I had to sign my log sheet and I had to write my character name, I wrote Akshara. I've taken a picture of that log sheet and it is gonna stay with me. So then I was like, oh, I'm not Akshara, I'm Kamolika. So then I had to cut it and write Kamolika. So that's the impact of TV and the character I've played for 8 long years. So yes, आज भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ जहाँ पर अक्षरा का जिक्र किया मैंने कि अक्षरा बोल देती हूँ बीच में, तो ऐसा हो जाता है. होता है. मुझे ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा कि बीच में 1.5-2 साल का गैप था. आई फील एज इफ आई वाज शूटिंग कंटिन्यूअसली. कभी बीच में कोई गैप हुआ ही नहीं था, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. आई थिंक आप जब बहुत सालों तक शूटिंग करते हो तो वो चीज आपके दिमाग से, वो रूटीन आपके दिमाग से निकलने के लिए आपको शायद 10, 12, 15 साल का गैप चाहिए, तो शायद निकल सकता है. वो मेरे दिमाग में बैक ऑफ द माइंड ऐसे सेट हो गया है कि मैं खुद भी नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ कि what is this. Like when I was on shoot yesterday, I was like, ये तो रोज होता है मेरे साथ. Like it's the normal routine thing happening with me. I did not feel at all that I'm shooting again, I'm on sets. I felt ये तो रोज का है. So yeah, that was also there. I was discussing it with Ro also कि मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मेरा पहला डे है, मेरा पहला दिन है. It felt as if मैं कई सालों से शूटिंग कर रही हूँ. So I think वो टाइम लगता है. इतने साल आप शूट करते हैं तो अगर आपका लंबा गैप हो, एंड दैट टू दीज 2 years I was not, it wasn't that I was at home, I wasn't working. I do reality shows and कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहा, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि I was completely off TV. तो I think that is also the reason कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि it's another day, you know, another day. So yeah. Cool. So I am glad, I am happy that you people felt nice. I read a lot of comments on Twitter where people were very happy, all my fans, that you finally got to know about the double treat I was talking about, and there's lots more to come, not just that, but मैं आपको बताऊंगी धीरे धीरे. अभी मैं फिलहाल I am into this kasauti mode and I want to go on a holiday. And मैं वही plan कर रही हूँ रो के साथ. Would you like to join my live chat? चलिए ready? So this time Kamalika is sending you tons and tons and tons of love. Mwah. Lots of love.
एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत अच्छा रहा हमारा. देखा आई थिंक दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू Dabu sir and Manisha ma'am. This is the 20th calendar
20 years.
they have got 20 years and it's crazy. Still आप देख सकते हैं कितना fresh है, कितना नया है. अब 20th edition and it's not so easy and it's amazing. After I worked with him last month, तो मुझे पता है कि वो कितना hard work डालते हैं and it's just very good job.
I think all the stars out there who all are there in the pictures, they must have perhaps got millions of pictures clicked. But this is the USP of Dabu's, perhaps Dabu's work, that when he clicks a picture, he makes it look so fresh and so new that you feel that you've never seen a picture like this before. So I love Anushka's picture. I love the way that picture has been taken, and yeah, it's pretty exciting to be here. Mine, Anushka's.
Yeah. Who's that?
Alia and Anushka. Karthik is looking cute and Ritik is looking hot.
I think for males also, I would be saying that Ritik sir is looking very nice, amazing, as always. And yes, Karthik has done a great job with the like he's looking amazing and very fresh again.
And Tiger's body is looking out of the world.
So yes.
What do we do?
What? That's Karan. That's Karan over there.
I think we're done. Okay.
That's my before product. Gorgeous, very gorgeous.
You got it?
Super.